Your support fuels my passion for creating valuable health and fitness content. Hit that like button and subscribe to keep the motivation going and unlock more inspiring videos, just like this one. When it comes to core workouts, sit-ups and crunches are often go-to exercises. But which one works better when paired with cardio? Let's delve into the details. Sit-ups are renowned for engaging multiple muscle groups, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and hip flexors. Their dynamic movement targets the entire core, making them a comprehensive choice for strengthening abdominal muscles. When combined with cardio, sit-ups amplify calorie burn and promote overall endurance, complementing a robust fitness regimen. Looking to take your home workouts to the next level? I've got you covered with some amazing gear. Check the description below for links to my top recommendations, including the best HIIT workout mat, a comprehensive home workout guide, essential home gym workout equipment, effective push-up equipment, and a reliable body fat measurement device. These products have made a huge difference in my fitness journey, and I'm sure they'll help you too. Click the links in the description and start transforming your workouts today. Let's continue to main topic. On the other hand, crunches are effective for isolating the abdominal muscles, particularly the rectus abdominis. Their concentrated motion focuses on enhancing core stability and sculpting defined ABS. Pairing crunches with cardio can enhance the efficiency of fat burning, ensuring a more toned midsection over time. Ultimately, the choice between sit-ups and crunches with cardio depends on your fitness goals and personal preferences. Integrating both exercises into your routine can offer a balanced approach to core strengthening and cardiovascular conditioning, supporting a holistic fitness journey. Remember, consistency and proper form are key to maximizing the benefits of these exercises. Stay tuned for more insights and tips to elevate your fitness game.